Hello guys, okay. Sorry about the last video. I actually kinda ended it. But where? 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 Are you? I really don't know. Oh, rip. Uh-oh. No, not fire. Oh, okay. I almost went to the fire. My car is stuck. Bro, I hate my voice right now because too many cops. Where? Yeah, I tried to kill him. Die, 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 die. God, I grind up. You grind off. Okay, we need to go use special card. Special. Alright. This is the Car Crushers news. How may I help you? Seems like the Car Crushers news band is seemingly in a crusher and is getting sliced. And it's burning. That's all for Car Crushers news. Have a fun all day. I mean a fun day. Alright. This. Pickup truck. Is there enough pickup? Which pickup truck should we use? This one. Green. Die. Oh, my head got chopped off. Oh my lord! What? My head was just like stuck in there. Like what the? Alright. We are 34, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you no. Well, oh wait, I just. Oh, that will actually crash a little bit of my car. Alright. Hey, okay, gonna think what. Bro, the car is just moving by itself. Wait, I wanna see what my mom's gonna make it for lunch. Be right back. Is he in the server? No! 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 Oh, yes, my head and my arm is gone. My arms are literally gone. And yeah, how many? No, stop! Get Chrome. Wait, 1 second, I'm gonna switch tabs. What? That's done. That's my, yeah, close that tab. Alright. I am in my private server, so I can't like get anything from that. No, no, do not dare. Do not dare to trap me in here. I've been freezed once. I don't want to get too acided. I'm just losing my mind to the. Ugh. God, what the hell happened to my mouse? I could do a mouse review. Alright, we need to do tail. Tank. What the hell? What the hell are these? Which tank? I'm gonna use the mini tank. Mini tank. Wait, I'm gonna shoot him. Alright. He left my house. JK. Imagine he shows up from his country and then appears in my house. Like, bro.